Cinderellas, day 4. We are on our way to Ala Moana shopping center. There's a bunch of luxury shopping there, so I'm gonna drag this guy to where we stayed last time, and we're gonna go to hit some of the cool stores. So you're gonna follow us around, see what some of these designers are. One of the things I found was when I was here last, the designer shopping, it's a little bit cheaper because of the tax rate, and they also always have like more of a newer variety of things than they do when like if you're back in New York or something. So I'm excited about that, and I'm like losing my train of thought because I'm laughing because you see how he's non-participant. Say hello to the people.
Hey, what's up, people?
So
I gotta take a piss and it really hurts.
TMI, TMI, TMI. So yeah, so we're excited to do that. It's a little quiet, so I figured I'm gonna start my vlog here while we're actually walking to the stores. But I lost my train of thought, and I was laughing a little bit to myself because there was a video that I posted, and you guys should go watch it. I'll link it below. And in that video was when we did the wine tasting in Temecula, and then there was a comment that somebody said that beautiful video, great wineries, but why did you go with him? It's true, he's getting mad, but it's because you didn't read the comment. But anyway, if you're Team Hans, make sure you like and comment on this video. Comment and let Hans know, show him some love, and let him know how much you love him and his humor, his Brooklyn humor. So yeah, let's go. So another way to rent cars in Maui, if you're watching in Maui, in Oahu or in Maui or any of these places, if you're looking to rent a car and like for the day, like by the hour, and you don't want to pay like the rental fee, and then parking lots in Oahu, these buildings are very expensive. $55 overnight if you're staying here for a week, and then you rent the car, those bills add up. But there's this ride app called Hui, H-U-I, and you can literally rent a car. You could pick it up here, and you could do like a per hour car rental, which I think is pretty neat, because if you just need the car for a couple of hours, then you don't need it for the whole day, and you save. You don't have to pay for overnight parking, which definitely is more cost effective. You guys have been watching, we've been using Turo. I also checked out prices for like the car rentals, which it's the most cost efficient when you rent it at the airport. But if you're not renting at the airport, and if you're renting at the airport, it's definitely fine if you're staying somewhere outside of Waikiki, right? If you're going to like the North Shore or you're going somewhere else, it's gonna be definitely more cost efficient for you. But if you're gonna be staying here in this concrete jungle, I definitely recommend just maybe using Turo. There's lots of people renting their cars. And then here's another thing, is all the way on the other side of, what's this, Kalakea Boulevard? Hold on, I'm gonna tell you exactly the name, because it drives me crazy that I don't know that like the names of exactly the streets we're on. It's the, hang on. We're on, Kalakua Avenue. That's where we're on, and that's where all the luxury shopping is, all the nice stores, like literally right around the corner from our hotel. We walked maybe 5 minutes, not including the times I had to stop to wait for him. And we're here with all the stores and everything right here. What's nice is it just gets a little crazy and busy with nightlife also here. A lot of people out shopping, going to the restaurants, eating, all that good stuff. But like I said, car rentals, you definitely want to, if you just need it for the day and you're staying in Waikiki, Turo or Hui is the best things. So hope that helps with renting a car. And if you found this video helpful on tips on what cars to rent and how to rent, definitely give this a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for parking tips, travel tips all over the world. And oh yeah, one more thing. There is free parking. Yes, there is free street parking. You guys heard me. It is Montserrat Street, which has free street parking, and that is right across from the Honolulu Zoo. If you start driving towards like the zoo side, there's lots of different neighborhoods there that do allow for street parking, and I would just ask the locals and find out. No, there's also other street parking. There's other like residential areas where you can also park, and then if you wanted to, you can like simply Uber back to your hotel if that's easier for you. Or you could stay on the other side, closer to that side, and then it's easy also. So here we go.
I'm so sorry, there's no... Yeah, Barbie.
All right, so we just left Fuji. What's cool is the Hawaii tax rate is 4.1725 or 4.725.
Oh, didn't she say?
And yeah, no, it's a lot less. And so you're saving money on taxes if you're shopping here. And then the Hawaii rate is a little bit lower than the rate that's on the mainland. So you're saving at least a couple of $100 extra. Like for example, I looked at like a small crossbody bag, the really small ones, and normally in the States it would be like $1,200, and this here it was like $1,000 plus lower taxes, which is awesome. And so we're gonna continue on. They don't let you film in the store, obviously, so we won't be filming in the store, but he will be filming like me in and out, and then I'll be giving you some of my feedback. Here's the other luxury store here in Hawaii. And what is that? What is that? Right? You get to kick out.
Spam.
You get a kick out of it, right? Here's the other luxury store. You want to show them your luxury store right here?
This is my luxury store right here. ABC store where milk is $10 a half a gallon.
Really? Did you check?
That's what the lady said, remember?
No. Crazy. So this is a little bit of like the lower, like lesser nice side of town, as you can see from like kind of this place around here. It's a Thai food, I'm gonna not lie. It looks good, Thai food. Where we're gonna go? Okay. So I'm gonna go into Prada now. Hans is leaving me behind, and I'm not supposed to film in here, so I'm gonna leave the camera at the door and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I just left Prada. I saw some super cute things in there. There's the original bag that Christina bought when we were in Italy, Galleria bag, which is like their staple bag. But I saw some like jewelry cases, like jewelry holders that were really, really nice. Especially one of them was like a sparkly gold one. But I just felt like it was too much money to spend, like almost 1,200 bucks on a bag to carry your expensive jewelry. Like, why would I do that to myself? So I left because we are going to Italy, and maybe we'll save some money going to Italy and shopping there. So left Prada, and now I'm gonna go to Louis Vuitton. Let's go. So if you are planning to do any luxury shopping, you have to know that some of the stores, they don't all close at the same time. So for example, Louis Vuitton, I just walked in there, they close at 10 o'clock. So I walked out because I want to find Chanel, because I feel like Chanel will probably close earlier, and I've been looking for this wallet from Chanel for the longest time. So I'm hoping maybe we'll just go there and I'll find it, I could just buy it, because at this point I'm not waiting till Italy. Wherever I find it, I'm gonna buy it. So yeah, so that's what we're walking back, because I think I passed it and I didn't realize it, but Chanel is like down at the end of this boulevard off the beaten path. So we're going to my favorite store right now. Can you guess what it is?
Channel number 5.
Oh, thank you. Still, my absolute favorite store is Chanel. I found like 3 or 4 things I would buy in there. But being responsible, I'm not gonna just buy for no reason. But there was a really cute little pink bag. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Totally would love, love, love to add that to my collection. Even though he says that it doesn't look like me, I absolutely would use that. Love it. Okay, so we're off. I think we're gonna just stop at one more store because I'm tired and I'm hungry. And yeah, it's been a long day already, right? So we're gonna go to Louis Vuitton. And after Louis Vuitton, I don't think we're gonna go anywhere else.
Hurry up because I think everything closes at 6.
10. 10.
Oh, 10? Oh.
10.
So why didn't
We're
you close
good.
that door there?
Which one?
Why did you close the front door?
I don't know, but it doesn't close that early. Last stop is Louis Vuitton. So I lied, I forgot 2 more stores that I wanted to go to. One being Hermes and the other being Valentino. So we have to go to both of those stores before we leave here. But Louis Vuitton, we saw 2 things there that we wanted. One was this bag that Anjali tried on in 2020 when we were here. It's called, oh my gosh, what is it? It's like a shopping bag.
Where's the we? We didn't like anything.
No, it's not we.
It's like you're saying that we are pregnant. We're not pregnant, you're pregnant.
Anyway, it was this bag right here. You can kind of see it. And this is the other one she liked. But it's right now at home. She's sleeping. So I'm gonna have to talk to her in the morning. And then I kind of liked, hold on, let me show you my shoes. I kind of like these shoes right here. You see them? You can kind of see them, right? There you go. Those Birkenstock type of shoes. I think they're cute. So those are my 2. I'm gonna think about it before I buy it. And now we're gonna go to a couple more. So you can see there's Tiffany there, Tiffany & Co. I mean, literally, this is like, if you want to come shop, you can, and the tax rate is 4.7125. Got it? There's Tiffany. Gelato. I think we had this gelato. I'm almost positive we did. And then you can go inside. Inside the mall, there's a bunch of stuff there too. There's, what is it, Saint Laurent? So, I like YSL, so I like the shoes. I always like the shoes that have like that, and then those, I'm always looking for those also. I need to make my list for Europe. Even those, I like those black YSLs. There's Hermes. Alright guys, so we just left Hermes and didn't see anything that I wanted in there. I looked at the shoes. I typically like the shoes. I like the belts, the perfume, but nothing new. And then of course, you can never get your hands on a Birkin. You have to be on some type of exclusive list of something or other. Anyway, now we're on our way to the final real last stop of the night, which is Valentino. So I'm looking for Valentino. Kind of forgot where I left it, where it is. I think it's coming up though. But here's Harry Winston. Ooh. Gorgeous jewelry. I mean, literally, if you want the best of the best, you can get it right here. I like Tory Burch. I'm a fan. And we had that vintage shaved ice right there before, which is really nice.
We got it from the hood.
It was probably just as equally expensive. And look how pretty this is right here. We'll come back to it just at night. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, during COVID it was like closed and it was so empty. It's so nice to see everything in over here and just how full it is and how many people there are. Oh, and they still have Christmas decorations up. There's something about, we've been to Hawaii. Last time we were in Oahu, it was Christmas time in Oahu, which was so nice. Do you remember Christmas time? Remember how to say Merry Christmas?
No, I don't.
Mele Kalikimaka is how you say Merry Christmas in Hawaii. So, in Hawaiian.
I just remember that Santa Claus was riding dolphins. Remember? In a Hawaiian shirt slippers.
Yep.
On
it's
the
true.
not on a sled, but
Yeah.
on a surfboard.
Yep. Okay, here's Valentino. Yay! Valentino. And I definitely like the heels here. They're so comfortable. So here we go. There's something about a small bag. It's so cute. The micro mini is what it's called. I love that. Look. My goat shoes. So I think I found a pair of shoes that I want. And I'm gonna just like think about it a little bit more. But I really like them. I really, really like them. You guys saw what they look like on me. There's Fendi. And Apple. Let me see. Hold on. Let's take a guess. Is the Apple store packed? Is it? Is it?
Yes, because everything breaks in Apple.
Here's the Apple lover right here. You ready? You want to see an Apple lover right here? Hold on. Let me show you. Right here.
Apple is the biggest ripoff in the world.
He's not politically correct, but I still love him. And that's okay. So really quickly going to this mall. It's called the Royal Hawaiian Center. Royal Hawaiian Center. And, ooh, here we go. Gotta make sure I'm not walking into people. Helping hands. I need some helping hands.
Look, Jimmy Choo's, Jimmy Choo's.
Jimmy Choo? Hey, Jimmy Choo. Oh, Jimmy Choo. I like Jimmy Choo. Let's see. Hold on. Jimmy Choo's is like really nice shoes. Like seriously. I love Jimmy Choo shoes. They always have really
You owe
cute
me a
things.
cold beer. For all the
Now
shopping.
he wants a cold beer.
What's this over here? It looks nice.
Okay, so lastly,
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna end this video for tonight. We're done. We're gonna go head to dinner. Hope you enjoyed watching us luxury shop in Hawaii, in Oahu on the Waikiki Strip. One real cool fact, Valentino gives 20% off. So you can shop, get the Hawaii sales tax, and 20% off of their retail prices, which is cheaper than the States. So if you're in Oahu, go shop in Valentino because you're gonna save some money if you like their stuff. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Peace out, Cinderellas. Mahalo for watching. Say mahalo.
Hello.
There's Rolex, Balenciaga. More stuff at the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center. Tesla right there. And now we're crossing the street.